the atrial natriuretic peptide. Okay. The stimulus the stimulation is going to be an increase in blood pressure. Okay, so in the heart, and here's the right side of the heart, here's the left side of the heart. Okay, that right atrium, okay, this side would be the left atrium, this would be the right ventricle, and that would be the left ventricle. So out of the right atrium, okay, it's going to release this atrial natriuretic hormone. You might also see it as atrial natriuretic peptide. Okay, but it is a hormone. And when it goes to the kidneys, it is going to increase urine production. Okay, another way of saying this is it decreases urine concentration. Okay, so think about something that's very concentrated. So if I gave you, like concentrated Kool-Aid, all you have to do is add water. And if you add water, you're decreasing the concentration, okay, by increasing fluid. Okay, so increased urine production means you're decreasing the urine concentration. Okay, so when this happens, you're going to get a decrease in blood volume, which means you're going to get a decrease in blood pressure. All right, so remember, the stimulus is high blood pressure. So this is another method to help, or a method to help lower blood pressure by decreasing blood volume, which means you're decreasing blood pressure. Okay, so think about that. If you have a lot of volume in a tube, lots and lots and lots of fluid in a tube, that's a lot of pressure to push fluid through a tube. Because water is heavy, fluid is heavy. Okay? So if you can reduce the amount of fluid in a tube, then you decrease the amount of pressure needed. Okay, so when the atrial natriuretic hormone or peptide is released, it will go to the blood vessels. Okay, and it causes them to relax, which means they go from small to large. They're more relaxed. Okay, a big open tube is easier to push fluid through. It takes a lot of pressure to push fluid through a small tube. So the blood vessels relax. And when this happens, causes a decrease in peripheral resistance. Okay, and that's another way of saying decreases blood pressure, or you could say decreases the load, the preload to the heart. Okay, so the heart doesn't have to work as hard. The pump does not have to work as hard.